be advised that none of the information provided in this video or any other information provided by CryptoHub is specific advice. The information provided by CryptoHub is for educational purposes only. Should you require financial advice, please seek advice from a licensed financial planner. Okay, here we are for the next tutorial. Hopefully you watched the previous video on how to create a wallet on the blockchain. Did you watch it? If you haven't, turn this off and go watch it first. If you've already watched it, then congratulations for taking action. Okay, you ready? Let's jump into it. This is where it starts to become fun. Now we are going to look at how to actually go about helping you purchase your Bitcoin. There's a number of different sites you can go to. However, each country will have their own popular or preferred Bitcoin dealers or exchanges. All you have to do is quick Google search in your country or area. Just be sure to check out any company out properly first before buying. Here at CryptoHub, we would suggest sticking with exchanges that are recommended and shown here, until you're completely confident you can buy with confidence. In times past, you simply couldn't buy Bitcoin with a credit card. You had to actually go to the Bitcoin dealer's bank and deposit cash over the counter, or pay by bank transfer. So things have come a long way in a few short years. Now, there's two main sites that will allow you to buy significant amounts of Bitcoin with a credit card. Those two sites are cex.io, and the other is bitstamp.net. For this video, we'll just focus on cex.io, and we'll cover Bitstamp in another video. So if you haven't already, open up your browser and go to cex.io. Okay, now click on Register in the top right corner. Then, on the registration page, simply fill in the required details. Since I've already registered, I'll go sign in now. So, here in the dashboard, it may look a little confusing at first, but it's actually a very simple platform and won't take you long to understand what's going on. For a quick overview, at the top left-hand corner, click on the menu heading that says Buy/Sell. Here you can see exactly how much Bitcoin you will receive for each dollar amount. For example, $500 will give you 0.4566 Bitcoin, and $1,000 will give you 0.9132 Bitcoin. Keep in mind that the Bitcoin price is recalculated often, as it fluctuates quite continually. And here, you can also decide on your own Bitcoin custom order amount. Next, click on the top menu heading called Trade. This section is if you want to trade Bitcoin's volatility, and has the option also for margin trading. We won't cover trading in this tutorial, however, it will be covered in its own separate video. Next, click on the top menu heading called Finance. This is where you can view your balances of different fiat currencies, as well as cryptocurrencies, and you can deposit or withdraw funds as required. After this, click on the top menu heading called Cards. This is where you register your credit cards for any purchases. You'll also need to become verified by following cex.io's identity verification process, which can be a little daunting. However, security is a high priority, and they're well known for their trustworthy reputation. Keep in mind, it only takes around 15 minutes to complete the verification process, and you're usually verified within a few hours or less. For other features inside the dashboard, simply navigate to your name in the top right-hand corner, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Profile. Here you can enter in a range of personal details. Next, click on Security, and there's a number of options to enhance the security of your account. cex.io is also a wallet facility, if you ever decide to store your Bitcoin there. We tend to discourage the practice of storing your assets on an exchange, simply because storing your Bitcoin or other crypto assets on the blockchain itself is by far the safest option. Now to get verified, simply navigate back up to your name again, and under the drop-down menu, click the menu heading titled Verification. Here is where you begin the process of becoming verified. Simply follow the process. Upload your identification documents as prompted, and then submit. Again, navigate back up to your name, and from the drop-down menu select Account Activity. And, as you can see, this section gives you a detailed view of your account history and activity. Okay, now that we've finished the tour, let's go place a Bitcoin order. Firstly though, we need to fund the account. Just under your name at the top of the interface, click on the green Deposit button. From this section, first, in the top right corner, select the currency and the amount you would like to deposit. Next, select your credit card and then enter the CCV. Make sure the box is ticked to agree with the terms and conditions, and then click Deposit. Depending on your bank or credit card provider, you may get a confirmation request. Simply follow the process as required. Once submitted, it's just a matter of minutes before your deposit is processed. However, it's practically instant. So now we can see that the account has been funded with $700 US. Now what we are going to do is click Buy Sell on the top left header menu, and we're going to place an order for the amount of $700 US, which gives me 0.6391 Bitcoin, or BTC for short. Simply click Buy, then confirm the order, and it's done. Now let's go up to the header menu titled Finance. Once the page loads, scroll down, and here we see that the $700 US are gone. And if we scroll down further, we'll also see the balance in our Bitcoin account. Okay, now what we want to do is to withdraw the Bitcoin that was purchased and send it to another address. Navigate to the right and click Withdraw. Once the page loads, enter the full Bitcoin address in the field provided. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to send and click Withdraw. From there, if you have 2FA security set up, simply click SMS to receive the unique passcode sent to your registered phone, then enter the code in the box provided and click Confirm. You'll also be required to go to your email inbox and confirm the withdrawal before it can be processed. Simply locate the email and click on the link in the email to verify the withdrawal. Once that's done, you can check the location of your funds on the blockchain by simply selecting header menu titled Finance. Click on the tab called Transactions, and then click on the long hash code in the comment section of the transaction. From there, you'll be directed to the blockchain, where we can see the withdrawal posted on the blockchain publicly, which means it's now in transit to its destination. And there we have it, all done. Purchasing and sending Bitcoin is as easy as that. As always, just be sure to log out when you're finished using the site. Also, while I think of it, here's a very important tip. Make sure you double check the Bitcoin address you're sending to in order to make sure it's correct. In crypto, once you press that send button, there's no way for you to retrieve those funds. So it's absolutely imperative that you double check and even triple check the address that you are sending to is correct. The crypto community is full of casualties that sent their BTC to the wrong address. Always double check your address at the very least. We cannot stress this enough, as it happens all the time. It's just that here at CryptoHub, we want to make sure that you are given every opportunity, as well as every possible caution, in order to give you the best possible opportunity at making crypto a real fun and rewarding experience. Okay, that's it. We're all done here. See you on the next video.